Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how to find foreclosed homes in Colorado. And I'm going to show you a secret website that can actually help you find these properties before everyone else. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. First of all, you might be wondering what exactly is a foreclosure and why is it beneficial to a real estate investor in the first place? Well, a foreclosure occurs when a property owner defaults on their mortgage payments, which leads the lender to reclaim the property. This process can happen quickly, which often leaves homeowners with very little time to prepare. So, for real estate investors, foreclosures can present unique opportunities. These properties are often sold at a lower price than their market value, so this allows investors to acquire them below their potential worth. Investing in foreclosures can be really advantageous for several reasons. Now, these properties can be purchased at significant discounts, sometimes between 20 to 50% below market value or even more. Second, foreclosures can provide a quicker turnaround for investors because they often need repairs. So, if you want to buy a fixer upper that you can renovate and improve, then this is a great opportunity because you can find them for way below their market value, spend a little bit of extra money to improve them, and then flip them for a profit. Lastly, foreclosures are a great way to enter a market without facing the intense competition that comes with traditional home sales. So, what exactly is this secret website that I'm talking about? Let's take a look. Well, the secret website is called foreclosure.com, and for your convenience, I've included a link to it in the description below. This site is a complete goldmine for real estate investors if you want to find foreclosed properties before they hit the mainstream market in Colorado or really anywhere in the U.S. In this video, I'm specifically going to focus on Colorado. So once you click that link in the description, it's going to bring you to this page right here, and you can see this button right here, get free preview. So you're just going to click this button. Now you're going to enter your first name, your last name, your email, confirm it, and your password, and then just check these two boxes and click continue. And that's going to allow you to create a free account. And you can just follow the steps from there, and you'll be able to create your free account once you fill all that information in. And so now you're actually going to have access to all the photos and images and all the other details of these properties. So now let's just look at some properties in Colorado and see what it's like. But as you can see, you can actually buy homes. There's a buy option. There's cheap homes. There's rent to own. There's city owned. And it also lists a bunch of information about the site. So you can see that there's a total of 1.2 million listings and with a 177,000 pre-foreclosures, 32,000 foreclosures, a bunch of bankruptcies, city-owned liens, and a bunch of other stuff. So let's just look at Colorado. So once we're here, we can look at these properties in Colorado, and as you can see, they're relatively new. They were just recently posted for foreclosure, and then so once you sign up and you actually create an account and everything, you'll be able to see the photos as well. You can also filter them by price. For example, if you want to look at properties that are under $80,000, you can just set the max to $80,000, and now you can see all these properties here. Single family homes that you can get for under $80,000, which is absolutely insane. You can also filter by the property type. So you've got single family, condo, multifamily, mobile home, commercial, and even land. So you can see this piece of land right here that you can buy. And there's a lot of other information as well. So you can see the principal, the interest, the property taxes, the homeowner's insurance that you'll have to pay. There's more information here about public records and like the actual details of the property. There's lots of other stuff here. So this is actually, you have to get a premium account for this one, but there's just lots of other stuff here as well. Now, if we look at Colorado in general, you can see there are currently 47,641 foreclosed homes in Colorado. And so you can see the breakdown, like most of them are actually for tax liens. And then you can find other states and other homes in different counties in Colorado that have cities and counties that have tax lien issues, and you can find specific properties in your area. So overall, foreclosure.com is a really useful website for a real estate investor. If you're looking for properties in Colorado, then this is the site that I would recommend that you check out. So just click the link in the description and just get your free trial, create an account, and you can actually view the photos and all the other information as well. I hope this video helped you out, and thanks for watching.